Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to set up your Google AdSense account. Let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is that you simply need to go to your official site, after which I'll be leaving the site link in the description box below, after which you simply click on what begin, which is going to take you to another interface where you simply need to choose your Google account. So I'll be choosing my Google account. So after choosing your Google account, that's the Google account you want to sign up for your Google AdSense, you simply need to insert your website. If you have a website, you can simply insert. So in my own case, I have a website, my blogging website. I'll simply paste it here. But if you don't have a website, it's okay by you. You can simply click on what I do not have a site yet. After that, you simply click on what yes, send customized help and performance suggestions. So if you want it in that way, so you make sure you read it out. So I'm going to leave it like that. After that, you simply need to insert your payment territory, that's your country. So I'm from Cameroon. I'm going to insert Cameroon. Once you're done with that, you simply need to read this policy. Make sure you read the policy before clicking on I have read and agree. So in my own case, I already read this article. So after that, I'll simply click on this. Once I'm done with that, I'll click on what start using AdSense. So guys, we are just increasing our Google AdSense account. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial.